Hi guys, welcome to a new video. I've got a new lens camo for a big lens that I've got. So this is my 300 2.8 Mark II lens EF mount. The guys over at Lenscamo.co.uk have been really nice enough to send me a new camo kit for this lens. Just to show you that I've got a few others. Here's my RF800. They do one for that. Here is the RF600, do one for that. Here we have the Sigma Contemporary 150 to 600. And I also have a nice lens camo kit for the 100-400 Mark II lens, the EF lens, zoom lens. They do offer a Velcro attachment to go around the zooming part if you want that. I'm not too bothered, but you can get that in the kit as well. So, without further ado, the guys over at lenscamo.co.uk, a big thank you for them sending it to me. Typically for this particular lens it'll set you back about £39. A 500 F4 or 600 around £40-ish. And you know, have a look at their website. I'll put links in the description box. Please go and check them out. I've got videos for all the instructional videos on these lenses. I've just shown you how to put it on. So this video is to show you how to put it on for this big lens. This video will be very similar for the 600 RF and AF lenses, as well as the 500 f4 EF lens as well. So without further ado, let's get this put back onto this particular lens, and then we'll be able to see how it fits. But again, they do really good lens camo kits for lenses. Why should you get a lens camo kit for your lens? I've done other videos on the reasons why. Please go and check them out. I'll put some links in the description box if you want to see those. But essentially, it protects your lens, keeps it protected when you're out in the field, and it helps keeps its value, as well as keeps it from prying eyes as well. Because obviously a big white lens like this stands out a mile, and if it has something on it like so, it's not so obvious, is it? So without further ado guys, let's do a video on how to put this on this particular lens, and hopefully you'll find this informative. And again, please go and check out lenscamo.co.uk. So here is the lens that I've just put the camouflage on from lenscamo.co.uk. This is a 300 2.8 Mark II EF lens. Fits nicely. It's not 100% perfect, but you can always cut it down a little bit if it doesn't quite fit properly. And a big shout out to lenscamo.co.uk for sending this to me. I do appreciate it. So I've done another video. Full disclaimer and disclosure, they did send this to me free of charge. But obviously I'm hoping these videos are supporting them. They're a small UK business. They ship internationally. All links will be in the description box. Please go and have a look at those. I'll put links to the other videos that I've done as well. Essentially, why would you want lens camouflage? It protects your lens, keeps it resale value. So some of the Sigma lenses, for example, are more susceptible to scratches. So it's a good idea to have lens camo on those lenses to protect them. Keeps you away from prying eyes because a white lens is quite obvious to the general public. And also keeps you hidden from wildlife as well. And it's easier to hold in cold temperatures. When it's freezing cold, having lens camo on your lens makes it more of a joy to carry and hold for long periods of time, especially in winter when it's freezing cold. Sometimes having gloves isn't always viable, especially when you want to have access to the controls. They have good cutouts for all your controls, which is a good thing. And, you know, please check out their website, which is lenscamo.co.uk. And I will put links in the description box. If you do want to go to their eBay shop, feel free to do so. I would recommend that you go to their website and buy direct, because then eBay isn't getting a cut. And I do like to support UK small businesses that are struggling in these hard times. Keep in mind that their response times to emails may be a bit longer than you expected. They are extremely busy, so please be patient with them, but they will get back to you eventually. So, you know, this is just a big thank you to lenscamo.co.uk. Full disclosure, they did send me this free of charge for my lens, and I do appreciate that. And, you know, it's good value for money. You know, for something like this, a prime lens, whether it be a 300 2.8 or a 500 f4, 600 RF f4, your prices for a kit like this is around £40. For your zoom lenses, such as your Sigmas 150 to 600, your Canon 100 to 400, your 100 to 500 RF lenses, you're talking around the £30 mark. Some lenses that don't come with lens hoods, such as the RF 600 and the RF 800 that I've got here, where you have to buy the lens hood separately. They don't include a lens hood attachment in terms of the camouflage, like I've got on there, guys, because the lens don't come with a lens hood. But you can buy that separately for £5. It's not a lot of money, so you know, just keep that in mind. But in general, if your lens comes with a lens hood, you'll get a lens hood cover included in the kit. So there you go, that's it really. Just want to say big thank you for you guys for watching. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if videos like this help you out. Yeah, they're a good company. They're not expensive, and if you have other lenses for other manufacturers, this isn't just for Canon, guys. So if you've got Nikon, Sony, Pentax, Olympus, Panasonic, what else is there? Anyway, that's the majority of the manufacturers out there. They do supply lens cuts for those lenses as well. So have a look on the website, which is lenscamo.co.uk. I'll put all links in the description box, as well as other videos that I have done for the various lens camo kits that I've showed you. And a big thank you, and hopefully this video helped you out obtain a good lens camo kit. There's very few companies out there making them. I know there's one in the States, which is I think it's called lenscamo.com. They're quite pricey. You've also got, I think Outdoor Photography do one as well. Again, they're a little bit more expensive. But lenscamo.co.uk are relatively cheap, inexpensive. You know, if you've got multiple lenses and you want to get multiple kits from, you know, the main older manufacturers, would it cost you a small fortune? But lenscamo.co.uk are relatively cheap. So, you know, you can get 3 kits for about 90 quid. And I don't think there's any manufacturer out there that can say the same. So, without further ado, I'll end the video there. And, you know, just go and check them out, guys, because I really think it's a fantastic company. They've been good to me. For people that are trying to find them and do contact me and I send them there, no complaints. And they ship internationally as well with, you know, relatively low postage costs. And if you're not completely happy with your product, send it back and they'll refund you. So I have to say this, it's honestly one of the best companies I dealt with, and, you know, highly recommended. Go and check them out, and thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.